Hi, I'm Vandana here from Kanika Jewels. I'm an entrepreneur who found gap in the jewelry business. I'm not a jeweler. I'm here to serve you with what you need rather than pushing what we have. So, let us understand some of the background about jewelry, right? So, mostly you think that jewelry is worn by women, but let me break some myths about jewelry, right? So jewelry was earlier worn by males. And what kind of jewelry? The jewelry which was made from their hunt, the lion's teeth or claws or elephant teeth, right? So their hunts were converted into jewelry, and they used to flaunt that jewelry to impress women. So, and also to let them know that they can provide for them, right? So the earlier found jewelry, the much 1,15,000-year-old jewelry that was found in Spain, made up of seashells. In fact, jewelry used to be a status symbol. Only you, if you had certain power and position, you could wear specific type of jewelry. Look at this, some of the beautiful creations of jewelry, thousands of years old, right? Look at these beautiful designs which have been created thousands of years back, right? And the kind of products that have been created. So now there is a science behind wearing jewelry as well, right? So having jewelry in your neck and your wrist can reduce blood pressure, and that is why chain in your neck and bangle in your hands, right? At the same time, there are many nerves that meet at your earlobes. So pressing those points are beneficial for your health, and that is why even men wear earrings along with women. Now, wearing a nose pin or having a pressure point in the nose can reduce pain during childbirth. And that is the reason women wear jewelry in their nose rings or nose pin. Now, gold is a global currency. We have seen that during lockdown, during things that are happening at present. People who have gold can shift from country to country without worrying about anything, because gold is a global currency. It can be liquidated faster. It's time to invest in gold as an asset, because it has given consistent returns to people in the past, right? So what we do in Kanika Jewels, we play the role of Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh. So as Brahma, we help in creating products. We love converting ideas, thoughts into tangible things that you can adorn and flaunt it. So as I said, I'm not a jeweler, so I'm filling the gaps in the jewelry industry, right? So especially North Indians don't have a habit of buying gold frequently and generally have a smaller budgets compared to South Indians who keep on buying gold jewelry every occasion, which is a very good practice to have. So coming to Bangalore and having a very small gifting range, when I happened to visit to one of the famous jewelers, I was hurt by the way I was treated as a customer. I was not even asked to sit. Nobody was giving me attention. And when I said, excuse me, I want to buy earring, they said, how much is your budget? The first thing I said, 5,000 rupees. This is way back in 2006-7 time frame. And that person said, the way he gave me look as if he's giving me jewelry free of cost. And then he said, look at that tray, those two pieces is comes in 5,000, pick one of them. So I just could not understand why being treated like that, right? So and at that time I didn't even know that I will venture into jewelry business, but I addressed that pain in my business. I made sure that irrespective of the budget you have, you get not one, not two, not three, many options, wide range of options, because we don't look at the price point that you're buying. We look at it as your investment, not how much budget you have, and we serve you uh, with the products that suits your pocket, because everyone has their own reasons to invest money depending upon their income and other financial commitments. So we are here to craft unique jewelry for you. Again, custom jewelry design is very premium. Most of the time you have to buy from ready stock. mass produced jewelry. So during your weddings, when you focus so much attention on every detail, even the sandals and dress and bangles, everything is so coordinated, well coordinated, and a lot of money is invested in that, then why go for mass jewelry? Why not custom design your jewelry matching with your bridal wear, right? Why not convert that heavy piece of jewelry into in such a way that it can be used in semi occasion and occasional wear, semi occasional wear, and even in your grand events. So we specialize in wedding jewelry. We can design jewelry the way you would like to have. We can convert, even create jewelry that matches with your gown or sari. We also excel in diamond products. We can create elegance in diamond jewelry, great finish, great quality, and reasonable pricing, right? We also specialize in lightweight jewelry, where you want it to look big, but it is light. It is heavy looking, but it is light on your pocket. So our USP is our craftsmanship for both traditional and contemporary patterns. So some of the custom designs that we have done is having a waist belt, which can be worn as a small necklace. The center part can come out, and also as a bracelet. This is another creation, which is a waistband, but now this waistband has been converted into a pendant and a matching earring set. In fact, the color stones that you see, that it also customizable. You can replace the green semi-precious or precious stones with red stones, blue stones, whatever you prefer. So this is called one product, multiple uses. And that's how it's called smart shopping. So you wear something which is grand, and you can also make it semi-occasional or occasional whenever you need to just make your heavy jewelry appear light. This is one other creation where the colored stones can be changed with your own hands. You don't have to come to the showroom. It is made in such a way that you can yourself replace with the multiple colors that you would want to have. And depends on how much you would like to invest. We can do it with semi-precious or precious stones, right? Now, we also have a lot of lightweight, ultra light collections. This product is everything under 12 to 15 grams, right? So look at the craftsmanship of this particular design. It's very delicate, and it was done for a bride to match with her wedding wear. We also specialize in traditional wear and South Indian designs, temple jewelry as well. Now, a lot of people don't want to wear diamond, then but you like that diamond kind of look, then we can create a diamond product in cubic zirconia or Swarovski in gold or silver, depending upon whatever is your requirement, right? Now, solitaire, a lot of people aspire for solitaire, but at times solitaire is beyond the reach of some of you. So what you can do is get the look of solitaire, ask for pie cut, because pie cut is equal to price cut. Look for jewelry which has illusion setting. So we do have some kind of products like this. Now we also give fusion finish on the wedding bands, engagement bands, where there are two finishes here. So we can make wedding bands for you in the design of your choice. If you like something on the internet and you want to make it for you, we excel in making that as well. We can also do Cartier designs for you. We can do the Lord of the Rings kind of designs. We can inscribe mantras, quotes, names of your loved ones, whatever you want on your finger rings. We also help you reduce the cost. We have an international client who this ring was costing him about $7,350 US, which is approximately on today's dollar to rupee conversion, around 5 lakh rupees. And we did this product for them in just $1,000, which is close to 75,000 rupees, right? So now they have become our regular customers. They bring all their jewelry needs whenever they come to India for their family and friends, and we are serving them, right? So if one of our customer wanted Rudraksh Shivling, so this is the design they gave us, and we created a pendant for them. This is creation. We are creating designs that you dream. We will design it together, and we will deliver it with utmost quality finish and a very competitive pricing in the market. So you don't have to pay exorbitant making charges for custom products. They are very close to the mass produced making charges, depends on the design that you are going to create, right? So this is a peacock earring designed by one of our customers, and we also created a peacock fingering modeled on those earlier design. This is a drawing of a 13-year-old teenager. She wanted a unicorn. It was converted into a gold pendant, right? One of our customers wanted to thank his employees for being part of his success journey. So he wanted his picture on a silver coin. So this was custom created for him, right? We also do name pendants and also sun sign pendants in gold, silver, diamond, precious, semi-precious stones. We are also specialized in gemstones. We give you certified gemstones depending upon your need, that can be converted into finger rings in silver, gold, platinum, whatever metal and the carat size that you want. It can also be converted into beautiful Navratna products kind. We also can source authentic Rudraksh for you and even convert them into pendants or mala, whatever products you want to have. Right. So as the maintenance part of Brahma Vishnu Mahesh, we give service to your jewelry, right? So service is also an important aspect. People generally sell the product, but customers struggle with jewelry service. If the necklace is broken, or if the product that was you bought from somewhere is broken, and if you go back to your jeweler, they simply ask you to sell it off and buy something new. But there is a lot of emotions attached to that product of yours. It is gifted by your parents, by your spouse, by your brother, siblings, by your grandparents, and you don't want to give it off. You want to keep that with you, and you are looking for jewelry service, then you are most welcome to Kanika Jewels. We will go as far as possible to see if that product is repairable and serviceable, and we will do it for you. So whether it's broken chain or unshaped bangles or fallen diamonds or fallen stones, Kanika is the place to visit to make your jewelry functional, wearable. We will do the necessary maintenance and service for your jewelry, right? These are some of the jewelry service pictures before and after, right? How a daily wear ring is converted to it. When you do service and maintenance, your jewelry becomes as good as new, as if you've just bought from the showroom, right? So if you have any jewelry needs which requires service and maintenance, if you have lost one earring and you want to create another earring, or you just want to convert that earring to a pendant, we can do that for you, or a finger ring, we can do that for you. So playing the transformation part of Brahma Vishnu Mahesh in this business, we transform your old unused jewelry to brand new patterns and designs, right? So now, would you like your old car to become something like this, right? Well, I can't do much with your car, but I can definitely transform your old jewelry into new jewelry, re-innovate your jewelry into something beautiful, wearable, right? So the traditional patterns can be converted into contemporary patterns. This was a necklace which a mother wanted to gift her teenage daughter, and the daughter wouldn't want to wear this product. So it was converted into a traditional, the traditional pattern converted into a contemporary new look, so that it becomes wearable, and the mother is happy, the daughter is also happy, right? So now this is one other creation. The customer had only this piece, but they wanted to make it like a kundan polki kind of a jewelry. They wanted to make it little grand. So this is one other creation that we have done, where this jewelry is converted into this piece they got. Remaining creations, modifications, reinventions, transformations have been done by Team Kanika Jewels, right? Now, most of our jewelry from our parents or from our grandparents are very heavy jewelry, right? Which you can only wear in occasions, and most of the time it is sitting in your lockers. Now, a lot of this young generation does not want to wear such heavy jewelry once in a while and keep it inside their lockers. So what you can do is you can transform your heavy jewelry into sleek jewelry. That will give another advantage. Your heavy jewelry, you get multiple sleek jewelries. Would you like to do that? If yes, I invite you to Kanika Jewels and experience our service and creations. We also excel in daily wear collection, from finger rings, earrings, nose pins, and we give you wide range and many options to choose from. These are some of our collections. So we also have monthly saving scheme called the Swan Kalash scheme, where you can invest monthly so that by the end of 1 year, you have substantial investment and you can buy something substantial every year. So what happens when you make jewelry purchase as your focus every year, even if gold rates are going up and down, your price averages out. And if you have children, if you have a daughter who is getting married or son who is getting married, and imagine you have been accumulating jewelry for over 10 years, right? Your price at that point will be average price, and you would have built substantial asset to be passed on to next generation. So invest in monthly saving schemes. That is a nice way, structured way to make jewelry purchase every year, right? So apart from that, we also deal in gold coins and gold bars, gifting gold coins, small range gold coins, or even 100-gram gold bars, right? And some of the celebrity visits in our showroom since 2009. September 20th, 2009 is when we started our showroom. And these are some of the celebrity visits that we have in our chapter. So I hope you enjoyed this video, learning more about jewelry, the beginning of jewelry, the myths related to jewelry, the science behind wedding jewelry, and how an entrepreneur is making the most of the jewelry business by serving your problems, by serving the pains that you are going through. So I invite you to visit Kanika Jewels, make the most of the gold products that you have. If they are broken, damaged, bring it for service. If you want to reinvent them, we will transform it for you. And if you have some designs in mind and you want to create them at a pocket friendly pricing, I invite you to Kanika Jewels. We are located in Indiranagar, 80 Feet Road, Bangalore. Our website is www.kanikajewels.com. We look forward to serving you. We are in the business of peace and prosperity, and we wish prosperity for you.